Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Regine Bangkel. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. I have been in Abu Dhabi for 10 years as a babysitter since 2008 to 2012. I'm also doing cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, washing the car. And after 4 years contract with them, I stay here in Philippines for 2 years. After 2 years, I returned to Abu Dhabi and same employer and same work from 2015 to 2022. To my future employer, please give me an opportunity to work with you and with your family. Thank you.